Narrated Ibn Umar radiallahu anhu, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, once three person from the previous nation were traveling, and suddenly it started raining, and they took shelter in a cave. The entrance of the cave got closed suddenly by the falling of a huge rock. While they were inside, they said to each other, "Oh, you nothing can save you except the truth, so each of you should ask Allah's help by referring to such a deed as he thinks he did sincerely. I just for gaining Allah's pleasure." So one of them said, "Oh Allah, you know that I had a laborer who worked for me for one farak. I 3 sa of rice, but he departed, leaving it. I his wages. I sowed that farak of rice, and with its yield I bought cows for him. Later on, when he came to me asking for his wages, I said to him, "Go to those cows and drive them away." He said to me, "But you have to pay me only a farak of rice." I said him, "Go to those cows and take them, for they are the product of the flock of rice." So he drove them. Oh Allah, if you consider that I did that for fear of you, then please remove the rock. The rock shifted a bit from the mouth of the cave. The second one said, "Oh Allah, you know that I had old parents whom I used to provide with the milk of my sheep. Verily, every night, one night I was delayed and went. And when I came, they had slept, while my wife and children were crying with hunger. I used not to let them, my family, drink unless my parents and unless my parents had drunk first. So so I disliked to wake them up, and also disliked that they should sleep without drinking it. I kept on waiting for them to wake till it dawned. O Allah, if you consider that I did that for fear of you, then please remove the rock. So the rock shifted, and they could see the sky through it. The third one said, O Allah, you know that I had a cousin, my paternal uncle's daughter, who was most beloved to me, and I thought to cousin, I thought to seduce her, but she refused unless I paid her 100 dinars, i.e. gold pieces. So I collected the amount and brought it to her, and she allowed me to sleep with her. But when I sat between her legs, she said, be afraid of Allah and do not disfollower me, but legally I got up and left the 100 dinars of her. O Allah, if you consider that I did that for fear of you, then please remove the rock. So Allah replaced them removed the rock, and they came out of the cave. Came out of the cave. This hadith indicated that one can only ask Allah for help directly or through his performed good deeds, but to ask Allah through the dead. But to ask Allah through the dead or absent prophet, saint, the separate, the holy men, angels is absolutely forbidden in Islam, forbidden in Islam, and it is a kind of polytheism. Sahih al-Bukhari. This is the end of the speech in English.